the Actbest Cityrun. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Actbest Cityrun electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside it comes with a charger, the user guide, tools, and pedals. So here's the bike fully assembled. Basically, what you have to install the front light, the front fender. You have to attach the wheel, attach the handlebar stem, install the pedals, and then install the seat. And then you can make any necessary adjustments as far as the angle for the controls and the handlebars. Going over some specs, this is a folding e-bike. It has a 350 watt rear motor, 500 watt peak power, 36 volt 280 watt hour lithium battery, 25 mile range, 20 mile per hour top speed, 16 by 2.5 inch tires, pedal assist and twist throttle, LCD display, mechanical disc brakes, front lights, front and rear fenders. It weighs in at 60.5 pounds and a max load of 330 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a folding lever, front light, front fender, front suspension, 16 by 2.5 inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, the battery, kickstand, rear fender, mechanical disc brakes, and rear rack. On the other side, you can see the 350 watt rear motor and the folding lever. And in the handlebar area, you can see the controls, brake levers, LCD display, keyhole, and twist throttle. Now to power up the bike, there's two keys, basically one for the battery, so you want to make sure this is in the on position. And then in the handlebar area, you just turn the key like so. And it has a very simple display. It doesn't have a speedometer or odometer. It just pretty much has the battery power utilization. On the left side, you have the buttons for the light. So you can see here, once you press it, it will activate the front light. And then you also have the button for the electronic horn. Now folding and unfolding the bike is fairly easy. Basically, you have this lever here in the bottom. So you just want to open that up and then you'll be able to fold it. Before I show you that, you can adjust the handlebar length, height here. So you have the lever here. Once you open that up, you can raise it and lower it. So unfolding it, like I said, just pull on the lever like so with a kickstand. You also want to pull on the lever here for the handlebar so it folds down. And then, let's see, just want to fold it like so. So here it is folded. I just had to move the pedals back because it was hitting it. But once you have that done, everything is folded. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy. The bike does have the front suspension forks, and also the saddle is pretty wide and soft. So let's see how it does. All right, here we go, rough terrain test. All right, it is a bit bumpy, but I do see the suspension's going to work, and then the saddle is soft, so that's helping a lot. So to the gravel here. Now on to the speed test. The bike does have the pedal assist along with the twist throttle. Let's see how fast it will go with the pedal assist mode, and then after that we'll just do the twist throttle only. All right, here we go, pedal assist. All right, we're about 11 miles per hour right now. 17, 20. So it looks like we're topping off at about 20 miles per hour with the pedal assist. And as mentioned earlier, the display is very basic. It doesn't have a speedometer or odometer. So I'm just using this GPS based app here to get our speed. So it looks like we topped off at 20 miles per hour with the pedal assist. All right, so with the pedal assist mode, we hit 20 miles per hour. Now I'm just gonna use the twist throttle and let's see how fast it goes. All right, here we go, twist throttle only. All right, nice gradual acceleration. We're at about 12 miles per hour right now. Hitting about 18. $19. Okay, looks like I'm able to hit 19 miles per hour with the twist throttle. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference. Okay, onto the uphill test. So we saw that with the speed test, we hit about 20 miles per hour, 19 to 20 miles per hour, that's the top speed. So as I make it up this road, it has a nice steady incline. Let's see if it maintains the speed or if it loses speed. All right, here we go, uphill test, and then we'll proceed with the downhill. All right, we're at about 15 miles per hour. About 17. All right, we're gonna begin the climb at about 16 miles per hour now. Let's see if it holds it. Losing a little bit of speed, we're down to about 13 miles per hour. But it's just powering through here. And a little bit of downhill into the turn. Okay, so with the uphill test, we began the climb at about 16 miles per hour and dropped down to about 13, but it had enough power and it was able to make it through. Now onto the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. All right, here we go, downhill test. So the bike feels very stable. The stem, there's no vibration, it's not loose, no rattles. It feels very sturdy, and it's very capable for its small size here. So we're hitting about 18 miles per hour as we make it down the road. A nice steady pace. And you're not gonna break any speed records with this. You know, it tops off at about 20 miles per hour and should have no problems getting you to your destination. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the use manual walks you through the process. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a gloss black finish and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. The bike feels solid and sturdy, fast and easy to fold so it can be stored or transported with ease. The cables are well organized. The saddle is wide and soft and was very comfortable and no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are a good length and I like that you can adjust the height. There were no rattles or vibrations and the stem didn't wobble. Rough surfaces will be a bumpy ride. The front suspension and the wide saddle helps a little bit in absorbing some of the bumps, but it's best to keep it on smooth surfaces. The 350 watt motor, 500 watt peak, I feel was adequate. It was able to handle the inclines, but it did slow down a bit. With pedal assist, I reached 20 miles per hour and twist throttle 19 miles per hour. This has an advertised max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles. But that will depend on throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The mechanical disc brakes had good stopping power and they grabbed on quick. The display is underwhelming and very simple. I wish it had an odometer and a speedometer integrated with it. Overall, the bike performed and it comes at a budget-friendly price point. It's foldable and easy to transport and has adequate power. So that is my review of the Actbest Cityrun electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.